Now some function has no absolute maximum or minimum. Functions with no absolute maximum or minimum. Locate any absolute extrema. The word extrema means maximum or minimum. So we have the function f of x, which is 1 over x. Now if you look to the graph, this function is drawn in two intervals. -3, 0, union 0 to 3. So this function, if you look to this function here, it's drawn here, it's from 0. So at 0, the graph keep going up and it never touches the 0. And here, so in this interval, we don't have neither a maximum or a minimum point. So the graph of f of x, which is 1 over x, has neither maximum point, because neither a maximum or a neither, let's write it, neither an absolute maximum, since if we look here, the graph is keep going up and the graph keep going up, so no maximum, nor absolute minimum, because the graph also it's going down, it never stops. So there is no absolute maximum, no absolute, no minimum. So no absolute maximum or nor absolute minimum in the interval -3, 0, 0 is not included, union from 0 to 3. So again, if we look to this graph, the graph here, it's 0 is not included, so it means the graph will keep approaching the y-axis but will never touch it. So it means the graph will never have a maximum boundary, maximum limit, and down it will keep going down, down, down. So there is no maximum limit here down, no minimum value. So it means no absolute maximum, no absolute minimum. This is graphically. Later on, we will explain how we will find those things, how to find the absolute maximum or absolute minimum without finding the graph. Also, we can notice that f of x is not continuous at the interval -3, 3 at 0, at x equal to 0. F of x is discontinuous. F of x is discontinuous, so we can't say anything about this function.